These are the Eden Villa forests, where a little girl was found dead 32 years ago.
Oh, on. Yeah, you know. I'm getting a message. What you doing?
I'm the spirit.
Anyway, in 1942, a little girl was found. Her body was found hanging from a tree, and she was only 13. Right, she was playing in the park, and a little sister went, "Hey, look, let's go and fetch some cows!" Anyway, cut a long story short, she was raped and killed.
I can hear voices.
Did you go in the park, Georgie?
What can you hear? Looks like it's been possessed. What have you done? God Jesus.
Let's go in the park, Audrey. What about my mum?
Any devils within you?
My mum?
Any devils within you? You can run. Please help me! Please!
Like this.
The end.